Chap Chapter Chapter 4, Exercise 3. First, which of the following pair of angles are supplementary? First one, 110, 70. Angles are supplementary. 110 plus 70 is equal to 180. Second, 90 degree, 90 degree. Solution. Angles are supplementary. 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Third, 50 degree, 140 degree. Solution. Angles are not supplementary. 50 plus 140 is equal to 190, not equal to 180. Second bit. Find the supplementary angle of the given angles. First, 105 degree. Solution. Let the supplementary angle of 105 be x. Sum of the two supplementary angles is 180 degree. Therefore, 105 plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 105. X is equal to 75 degree. Supplementary angle of 105 is 75 degree. Second, 95 degree. Solution. Let the supplementary angle of 95 degree be x. Sum of the two supplementary angle is 180. Therefore, 95 plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 95 is equal to 85. Supplementary angle of 95 is 85. Third, 150 degree. Let the supplementary angle of 150 degree be x. Sum of the two supplementary angle is 180. Therefore, 150 plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 150. X is equal to 30 degree. Supplementary angle of 150 degree is 30 degree. Fourth, 20 degree. Let the supplementary angle of 20 be x. Sum of the two supplementary angle is 180. Therefore, 20 degree plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 20. X is equal to 160 degree. Supplementary angle of 20 degree is 160 degree. Third, two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. Justify. The sum of two solution. The sum of two acute angles is always less than 180 degree. Fourth, two angles are equal and supplementary to each other. Find them. Solution. Let the angle be x. Two angles are be supplementary to each other and equal. Therefore, sum of the two supplementary angle is 180 degree. Therefore, x plus x is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 by 2. 2 1 are 290. X is equal to 90 degree. The supplementary angles are 90, 90. Exercise 4. Which of the following are adjacent angles? Angle A, angle B are adjacent angles. Second solution. Angle C, angle D are adjacent angles. Third solution. Angle E, angle F are not adjacent angles. Next, second problem. Name all pairs of adjacent angles in the figure. How many pairs of adjacent angles are formed? These angles are called why these angles are called adjacent angles? Angle AOD, angle DOB. Second, angle DOB, angle BOC. Angle BOC, angle COA. Angle COA, angle AOD. Third, can two adjacent angle be supplementary? Draw the figure. Yes, because angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Fourth, can two adjacent angles be complementary? Draw figure. Yes, because angle AOB plus angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. Fifth, give 4 examples of adjacent angles in daily life. Example, angles between the spokes at the center of a cycle wheel. Solution, Ashok Chakra, Bullock cart wheel, blades of fan, hands of clock.